You need your kindergarten math journal, a yellow crayon, a green crayon, and a pencil. So gather your supplies and come on back. Today, we are going to work on page 27. So hopefully you have a Post-it in, and you're going to use your Post-it to turn to page 27. 27. So find your page and let's read the problem together. I'll stick my supplies right over here. There were 10 ducks. 7 were green, the rest were yellow. How many were yellow? Show your work on the 10 frame, number bond, and number sentence. So if there were 10 ducks, I know that eventually we are going to have a duck in every one of these squares because there's 10 squares on a 10 frame. I know that 7 are green. So I'm going to go ahead and use my green crayon to draw the 7 green ducks. I'm just going to use circles because this is math and not art. So I'm going to use circles for the ducks. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 green ducks, and I know that the rest of the ducks are yellow. So I'm going to go ahead and color the rest of the ducks yellow. 1, 2, 3. So I know that 7 and 3 are 10's partners, and we just found the missing part. 3 is our missing part. Let's think about what we did. How many ducks were there in all? They told us right at the beginning, there were 10 ducks. 10 is our whole number. And then they told us that part were green. How many were green? 7. And I needed to find the missing part. When we find a missing part, we are subtracting. How many were missing? 1, 2, 3. 3 was the missing part. I know that 7 and 3 make 10. They're 10's partners. So when we were finding a missing part, we were subtracting. I could do it 2 ways. I could say 7 plus 3 equals 10 because it does. But I was really looking for this 3, so I was actually subtracting. We did 10 ducks in all, and we knew that 7 were green. So if we subtracted 7, we would have 3 ducks. If you would rather write 7 plus 3 equals 10, that is also correct. That is another way to find a missing part. So you can decide which way you want to write it. You can do 10 minus 7 equals 3, or you could do 7 plus, and it would be originally a blank because we didn't know, equals 10, and we figured out that it was 3, didn't we? Either of those problems is fine. All right, you are finished for today. Nice work. I will see you next time.